Hello guys, sorry for not doing any video for this long. So today I'm going to continue the video series. Today I'm going to switch my editor from Visual Studio to Rider. So let's start our project with JetPaint Rider, and let's see. It will take some time to load the project, but it has some advantages than Microsoft Visual Studio. So I'll use Rider. So this is our project file structure, and here is our survival tutorial project. Now still the project is being loaded, so let's wait some time.
One eternity later.
Finally, our project has been loaded. Let's run our project by clicking this rectangular icon.
A few moments later.
Okay, now our project has been opened. So let's check our previous updates. So we have created the movement functions on C++ class, and for WSD for movements and space for jumps. So let's replace our character with the mannequin mesh. For that, let's find our mannequin blueprint here. Let's drag and drop it to here, and let's find our mannequin mesh. I'll use this escape many simple mesh. So let's replace our character BP survival character blueprint with the mannequin mesh, and let's delete this cylinder and cube because I have added this cylinder and the cube because we didn't have any way to find our player is moving or not. So it's only for visualization purposes. So let's move our mannequin character down here and rotate it uh, uh, to the facing the same direction as this arrow. Yeah, now we have this mannequin character with our BP survival character, and now let's add this ABP unarmed animation blueprint to our survival character. So yeah, like this. Now we have our survival character with the mesh and running animations. uh, so guys, this video is a short videos. So now we have a moving character and the body mesh for the character, and animations are working. So uh, why I wanted to show you uh, the movements in the C++ class, because this is a C++ tutorial series, so I wanted you to uh, understand how we use C++ functions to move a character like this. If you don't remember, you can see our previous classes. So here we have these functions binded to our events to move, look, and other things. So likewise, uh, we have now our working character. So I'm going to stop our video tutorial video for today, and the next video I'm planning on creating the interaction system with the players. For examples, in a survival game video, so the player initially have to interact with other items like he's getting whenever he's getting hungry, he have to go near to a food or something to and pick it over and eat it, and also he have to collect some resources like stones, woods, and any other related things uh, to survive. So in the next video, let's see how we can work on this interaction system. Thank you guys for watching this video, and a comment if you have any suggestions and improvements or any problems you have when you are creating this tutorial or video series. And again, thank you for watching. So I'm going to wrap up this video. So goodbye guys.